Alright, so viewers, here we have this CEC. I believe this is a 48-inch model. Let's see, here's the tag. 48-inch. Got some dust and stuff on it. I did put oil on it. Made in China. 0488. I'm guessing it's the number off the assembly line or something. There's our serial number, CEC. Our caution tag. And then our quality approved one. So I picked up this fan. The homeowner I got from was changing all their old fans out for newer fans. This fan will be for sale. I'm selling it for $35 plus shipping and handling. Either we're gonna start off with it on low. So let's go ahead and this is high, medium, low. Nice fan. Apparently it's rare to find the ones with the vents in the motor. So figured I'd pick it up. Maybe someone wants it or something. Works very nice. I'm going to do low speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium. So off, high, medium. Blowing a little bit of air from it. Let's go ahead and go to high now. So low, off, high. The gentle breeze underneath the fan on high. You can hear there's a little bit of a bearing noise to it. I put some oil in it, so it's probably working in right now. Pretty neat fan. So let's go ahead and do spin down. So medium, low, off. And obviously it's reversible via the reverse switch. And this one has the wire for a light kit if you wanted to put a light kit on it. In very good condition. The stencil blades are very clean. No scratches in them whatsoever. That's one of the things I was actually pretty surprised by. All in all, the fans are pretty good except for the bearings needing a little bit of TLC, so I put some oil in them. So that's working its way in right now. Just gonna flip it into reverse so that way we'll see if it works in reverse. I haven't tested reverse yet on it, so I'll just turn it on to high just to make sure reverse works on it. This fan comes with everything: mounting bracket, upper canopy, everything you see here, except for obviously the wire nuts. But besides that, everything including this long pull chain that the previous owner put on it. Pretty good spin down time. That's the whole house AC kicking on. Any second now. And it's gonna stop. Alright. Now it's going. I bet what happened. Excuse me real fast. I still have power. Did one of the wires come undone? I'm confused now. What happened? There you go. Switch is a little loose. I was wondering, like, why isn't that going in reverse? The switch was a little loose. Either way, reverse does work. So, thanks for watching.